Welcome to today's instructional video, where we will be solving an inequality step by step. In this problem, we are tasked with solving the inequality negative 2h plus 5 is less than or equal to 13. Stay tuned as we go through the process of finding the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. Step 1. Given the inequality minus 2h plus 5 is less than or equal to 13, our first objective is to isolate the variable h. To do this, we need to eliminate the constant term on the left side of the inequality. We start with the inequality minus 2h plus 5 is less than or equal to 13. The first step is to get rid of the plus 5. To do that, we will subtract 5 from both sides of the inequality to keep it balanced. So, minus 2h plus 5 minus 5 is less than or equal to 13 minus 5. When we subtract 5 from the left side, the plus 5 and the minus 5 cancel each other out, leaving us with just minus 2h. On the right side, 13 minus 5 simplifies to 8. Now the inequality looks like this. Minus 2h is less than or equal to 8. At this point, our expression has been altered by subtracting 5 from both sides, resulting in the simplified inequality minus 2h is less than or equal to 8. This sets us up to isolate the variable h in the next step. Step 2. Now that we have the inequality minus 2h is less than or equal to 8, our goal remains to isolate the variable h. In this step, we need to eliminate the coefficient of minus 2 that is multiplying h. To do this, we will divide both sides of the inequality by minus 2. When we divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, the direction of the inequality sign must be reversed. First, we divide the left side by minus 2. The left side becomes h. Next, we divide the right side by minus 2. 8 divided by minus 2 simplifies to minus 4. Since we have divided by a negative number, we must reverse the inequality sign from less than or equal to greater than or equal to. Now the inequality looks like this. H is greater than or equal to minus 4. This is the final step. We have successfully isolated the variable h. The solution to the inequality minus 2h plus 5 is less than or equal to 13 is h is greater than or equal to minus 4. In interval notation, this solution is expressed as open bracket minus 4 comma positive infinity close bracket. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.